Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's session, we'll study about different types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions can be classified into different types depending upon the type of chemical change occurring during the reaction. Types of chemical reactions are as follows: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, neutralization reaction, displacement reaction. Now, what is a combination reaction? When A and B combine together, they form AB, where A and B are reactants and AB is a product. So, combination reaction is a chemical reaction in which two or more substances, reactants, combine to form a new substance, that is product. The next reaction is decomposition reaction. AB splits into A plus B. The opposite of a combination reaction is decomposition reaction. In this reaction, a complex molecule breaks down to make simpler ones. Now, third reaction is neutralization reaction. You will study about neutralization reaction in chapter 4. It is a reaction in which an acid and a base react with each other. Generally, the product of this reaction is a salt and water. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. So, this is an example of this is a neutralization reaction. Now, next is displacement reaction. It is a reaction in which one element takes place with another element in the compound. A plus BC, in which A will take the place of B in BC and it becomes AC plus B. For example, when an iron nail is put in the solution of copper sulfate in a beaker and kept in it for 5 to 10 minutes, the blue color of the solution changes into light green and a brown coating appears on the iron nail. This happens because iron displaces copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. You'll study about reactivity series in class 8th. Iron is more reactive than copper. It displaces copper from copper sulfate and forms iron sulfate, which is green in color. Copper deposits as a brown coating on the iron nail. This reaction can be shown in the form of chemical equation. Symbol of iron is Fe, which is in solid state, plus CuSO4 aqueous solution gives FeSO4. Iron will take the place of copper in copper sulfate and becomes FeSO4 aqueous plus copper, which gets deposited on the iron nail as a brown coating, which is in solid state. Now look at this picture. This picture is depicting the displacement reaction between iron and copper sulfate. When an iron nail is put in the solution of copper sulfate, after a few minutes, the blue color of the solution changes into light green and a brown coating appears on the iron nail. This happens because iron displaces copper from copper sulfate and forms iron sulfate, which is green in color. Copper deposits as brown coating on the iron nail. The chemical equation for this reaction is Fe, solid state iron, plus copper sulfate AQ, CuSO4 AQ, that is copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, yields FeSO4 aqueous solution, which is iron sulfate solution, and that is green in color, plus Cu solid state, which is copper. Now let's study the examples of rest of the three chemical reactions. First is combination reaction. First example, combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas yields water. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Second example, combination of nitrogen and hydrogen gas yields ammonia gas, that is N2 plus 3H2O. 3H2 gives 2NH3. Second reaction is decomposition reaction. First example, breaking up of water into hydrogen and oxygen gases on passing electric current. 2H2O liquid state gives 2H2 gaseous state plus O2 gaseous state. On strong heating, limestone, the chemical name of limestone is calcium carbonate, decomposes into quicklime. Chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. CaCO3 solid state gives CaO solid state plus CO2 gaseous state. Third is neutralization reaction. For example, the reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, where hydrochloric acid is an acid and sodium hydroxide is a base, yields sodium chloride, a salt, and water. NaOH aqueous solution plus HCl aqueous solution gives NaCl aqueous solution plus H2O liquid, where NaOH is sodium hydroxide, HCl is hydrochloric acid, NaCl is sodium chloride, that is common salt we use. Today's task is you have to classify the following reactions as combination, decomposition, neutralization and displacement reaction, and you have to give the reason also to justify your answer. This was the last session. We are done with all the topics of this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed all the sessions. Thank you for watching.